Here's a 1938 American Bantam. Nice car. The mechanicals are strictly Austin of England. 45.6 cubic inch engine, 4-cylinder, 20 horsepower. 6-volt battery, of course. This car is a two-tone car. I guess you'd describe it as maroon and coral. I like the sweep of the color there. It just shows that an inexpensive car can have plenty of color and charm. 3-speed manual transmission. The interesting part is the engines were made in the UK. The car was assembled in Butler, Pennsylvania, which, for those of you not familiar with Pennsylvania, is in the western part of the state. Neat little car. Carries a spare there in the back. And they started making cars early on. This isn't the first. They had an earlier edition of this Bantam. They call it the American Austin at that point. Notice how the windshield adjusts.